Hey, let me show you how you can add, remove, or for example, change the lock screen widgets on the Nothing Phone 2a. So first of all, if you want to add them or remove, you have to just go into the settings. Then you will have to actually navigate into the lock screen. And from this, select the lock screen widgets. So now if you want to remove widgets, just click on the X. If you want to add them, just choose any of this widget. For example, if you want to get this compass, just click on it. If you want to get some quick settings shortcuts, just click on it and add from the list, like for example torch, or for another one we can get maybe the QR code scanner. And now if I lock my screen and turn it on, as you can see, I can just click on this icon and I will be quickly redirected into the QR code scanner. Also, I can quickly activate the torch. Honestly, this is a great feature, and the Nothing Phone 2a really surprised me for this price. This operating system works really good. It's simple. We've got it's actually like simple, like for example on the Pixel phones, but still you've got access to a lot of features, and it's actually really easy to access these features. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.